In just 6 weeks, you could be a published author without writing a single word. And in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it, even if you hate writing, have no time, and don't know where to start. Publishing a book has never been this effortless. Join over 137 professionals who've transformed their expertise into best-selling books without typing a single sentence. Like Abigail, who turned her passion for homesteading into over 600 book sales and $15K in digital products. Or Mike, a busy coach and dad, now attracting clients daily through his Amazon-ranked books. Writing a book is daunting. Outlining, keyword research, formatting, marketing, it's a maze. No wonder so many aspiring authors give up before they begin. Weeks turn into months, and your book remains just an idea. Introducing the Done-For-You Bestseller System. Your idea, our execution. From writing and design to publishing and positioning, we handle it all. One strategy call, 0 writing, and your book is live in 6 to 8 weeks. Imagine your name on a professionally published book, showcased on Amazon. Your inbox buzzing with podcast invitations, speaking engagements, and client inquiries, all because you took the step to establish your authority. Ready to turn your expertise into a published book without lifting a pen? Click below to schedule your free strategy call. We'll discuss your goals and show you how our system can make your book a reality. You've taken the first step by watching this video. Now, take the next step towards becoming a published authority. One book can open doors to press coverage, podcasts, paid speaking gigs, and high-ticket clients. Click below to start your journey. A year from now, you could still be thinking about your book, or you could be reaping the rewards of being a published author. Our spots are limited to ensure personalized attention. Click below to schedule your free call, and let's bring your book to life.